Today we're gonna make this treat. It has bananas, almond butter, dark chocolate. It comes together in minutes. You don't have to bake it, and it's very nutritious. Oh, so good, you have to try it. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel, and today we're making a delicious and healthy snack. For me, it's really important that at home I have a quick treat that you can grab on the go that will nourish you and kind of keep you full. And I have, the school year has begun, the kids are coming home, they want something quick and easy, and then they run off to their activities and their sports. So this is something that I always have in the freezer, and we just all love it. The star of the show is this gorgeous banana. Now, I always try to buy ones that are kind of dark and spotted because they are the sweetest ones, and I think they're the most nutritious. This is our base. We're just gonna slice them up into little rounds, put them in this dish. On top, we're gonna have a layer of like a nut butter. Now, I'm on this kind of almond butter kick, but you could use cashew butter, you could use a seed butter like sunflower seed or peanut butter, whatever works for you. And I'm gonna mix it with some coconut oil just to make it extra runny. So that coats the banana. And then on top you have a layer of dark chocolate. And this comes together really, really easy. This is a snack that my kids can make by themselves, and it just lives rent-free in the freezer, just ready to go. Let's make it. Now, I like to spray my tray with a little bit of oil just so the parchment paper sticks a bit better. And this just helps the dessert come out easier. Then we just slice this up, mix this together. I'll take you along this journey. You guys might have some questions. First of all, what is this? I never throw away the banana peels because they're very nutritious, and I usually just pour some warm water over them. I let that sit for like a day, and then I use this liquid to water my plants. So that's a nice little life hack for you. This whole situation, the reason why I melted the coconut oil with the almond butter is because I want like a runny consistency. Sometimes the nut butters tend to be really thick, and if you try to spread it over banana, it just becomes a mess. In this case, it becomes more runny, and it's much easier to coat every single banana, and it just gets into all of the nooks and crannies. And the reason why I use a steam bath is so that this doesn't burn. If I were to use a saucepan, it probably would. So let's just do this. So the middle layer with the almond butter, it's almost like a caramel. And then you have this like hard layer of like this crunchy dark chocolate, and the bananas, they just kind of melt in your mouth. This is so good. Oh my God. Give me a second. I need to gather my thoughts. This is like the perfect treat in my understanding because we're not adding any sugar or any sweeteners. We're just using the natural sweetness of the bananas. The nuts on top add such a crunch, and the salt is a non-negotiable. This is amazing. You have to try it. I usually cut them up into these like bite-sized pieces, and I just keep them in the freezer. And if I need a quick snack, I get out a piece and it's always ready. And if you want it to be a bit more gooey, just transfer a few pieces from the freezer into the fridge and they will just become perfect. I can't even begin to tell you how good this is. Look at these banana pieces. I just have to try it. If you do, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like it.